Welcome to another Tuesday tip. Today we're looking at the timeline feature in OpenCRM. Timeline and heartbeat is a great way to highlight important information and provide you with a snapshot of what's going on around particular records such as a client or a prospect. If we take a look at a contact record, next to the audit button in the top right, you can see another button. Click on this to open up your timeline. You can see two separate components here. At the top is heartbeat, which contains a couple of key pieces of information relating to the contact. If you want to hide this, simply click on the minus icon. You can re-enable at any time by clicking on the plus icon. Below this you have the timeline, which will display up to the last 15 pieces of data that relate to your contact. As you can see on this example, it gives you a comprehensive overview of what's happening with Giles Abbott. You can use the filter by menu to customize the items listed in the timeline. So in this instance, if we only want to see a list of activities and emails linked, select the relevant options and apply filter to only display the specified entries. This makes the OK button turn orange to denote that the filters have been applied. These filters are sticky, so they'll be applied to your timeline in that module until you choose to change them. Click on the icon next to the OK button to restore the default settings. I'm going to show you a couple of tips and tricks relevant to activities on the timeline. These will work for emails as well. Hovering over the icon on the left-hand side will display some notes relating to that entry. Clicking on the icon itself opens up that record as a pop-up, whereas clicking on the entry itself will open the record in the parent window. Finally, overdue tickets will display the icon in red, alerting you that this ticket needs your attention. And there you have it, this week's Tuesday tip.